Want fresh, homegrown lettuce all season long? Here are 5 easy tips that keep your lettuce growing for weeks. First, use succession planting. Instead of planting all your seeds at once, sow a small batch every 2-3 weeks. This gives you a continuous supply of fresh lettuce throughout the growing season. Give lettuce the right amount of sunlight. It grows best with 4-6 hours of morning sun and some afternoon shade, especially during warmer weather. This helps prevent the plants from bolting too quickly. Keep the soil consistently moist. Water regularly, but avoid soggy soil. Well-drained soil enriched with compost helps lettuce grow faster and produce tender, flavorful leaves. Add a layer of mulch, such as straw or shredded leaves, around the plants. Mulch keeps the soil cool, reduces water evaporation, and helps your lettuce thrive even on hot days. Harvest the outer leaves first. Leave the center of the plant untouched, and it will continue producing fresh new leaves for multiple harvests instead of just one. Follow these simple tips, and you'll enjoy crisp, fresh lettuce from your garden all season long. For more easy gardening tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to American Garden Hub.